Paul with your forecast.
Probably a good idea to keep both hands on the wheel this morning as you're hitting the roads because the winds are gusty, and it's actually always a good idea to keep both hands on the wheel. Let's take a look outside. The difference from today's warm and breezy weather from yesterday's warm and breezy weather is the cloud cover that has spread in overnight. So you're seeing those clouds here from the Webb School in Bell Buckle. An updated view from the city Clifton in Wayne County shows a lot more cloud cover than little patches of clear sky here and there, and those winds are really rippling the flag here downtown Clifton. Looking out from the St. Henry School in West Nashville, still fairly dark because that cloud cover is blocking the first rays of sunlight, but the clouds overnight act like a blanket. They keep temperatures warm. The wind does that as well. So it's still 55 degrees there at St. Henry School in West Nashville. The winds have been at least 5 to 10 miles an hour. Some places already 10 to 15 miles an hour this morning. We're going to see sustained winds up to around 20 miles an hour by this afternoon with some gusts up to around 30. So the wind is going to try to move you around on the road a little bit. The clouds aren't producing any precipitation. There's nothing on the forewarned live radar. All the National Weather Service radars around us are blank, but that's not going to be the case 24 hours from now. More on that in just a second. First, let's check on temperatures. We do have one spot that has now dropped below 50 degrees. Livingston, you're the cool spot, 49, which is still 8 degrees above Nashville's average low temperature for today. 57 degrees in Nashville, Clarksville, and in Murray. Those are the warm locations for the most part. Low to mid 50s for backyard temperatures this morning, running about 15 to 20 degrees warmer than we were at this point yesterday morning. So despite that cloud cover this morning, we're still going to warm up. Southwesterly winds helping that out. We're going to make it up to the upper 60s by noon, and some sun will peek through the clouds. We'll climb up to the low 70s this afternoon. That's 10 full degrees above what's normal for the 23rd of March. Let's talk about that storm chance for tomorrow. Today we're going to stay dry. There's a slight chance of maybe a sprinkle sneaking up into southern middle Tennessee during the evening hours, but I'm not concerned about it. The clouds are going to thicken back up overnight, and we'll see some scattered showers and even some non-severe thunderstorms in place by this time tomorrow morning. So the morning commute on Thursday might be a little tricky with some puddles on the roads. But again, this activity not expected to be severe, and it's one of the complicating factors in tomorrow's forecast. Does this early morning shower and non-severe thunderstorm activity take enough juice, enough energy out of the atmosphere to prevent severe thunderstorms later on in the day? We can hope so, but let's not plan on it. I think some stronger thunderstorms are going to develop in western middle Tennessee by late morning to around midday, and then they'll move west to east across the mid-state as we head through the afternoon, moving towards metro Nashville right around mid-afternoon. Whenever you see a line like this on the radar simulation, it indicates that the main severe weather threat is going to be from damaging straight line winds. There's going to be a lot of wind energy in the atmosphere overall, but the amount of moisture and the temperature profile is not ideally set up to produce widespread severe weather. So it's a slight risk of severe weather, kind of a borderline case, but still something we'll keep our eyes on for the eastern two-thirds of the mid-state, especially midday tomorrow through the afternoon hours on Thursday. Damaging straight line winds, the main threat. Tornado and hail threats should stay farther down to our south. We'll keep a close eye on that as well, but all in all, it adds up to the potential for severe weather, and that means tomorrow's a forewarned alert day. Calm weather behind that system Friday and Saturday, then another chance of thunderstorms, including maybe a couple strong storms late in the day on Easter Sunday. We're going to come right back with a check of what's trending. That's right after a quick break.